Bullish Theta organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.85 and $9.16 by 2030. Market experts accept Theta could reach $3.77 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 86 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local digital currency is likewise called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two kinds of hubs on the Theta organization: customary hubs and asset-rich gatekeeper hubs. Normal hubs procure rewards for sharing their assets, while watchman hubs acquire considerably bigger prizes for checking blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the vital elements of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client as opposed to at a concentrated area. This decreases inertness and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferable streaming encounter over customary CDNs. One more significant element of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with insignificant effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web clog by appropriating traffic among different ways all the while. How Theta functions. The primary thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video real-time stage like YouTube or Jerk, it's likewise a decentralized organization controlled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share data transmission and processing assets on a P2P premise. All in all, Theta is intended to be a more productive and decentralized approach to real-time video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are conveyed at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can decrease idleness and work on streaming quality, while Theta's mainnet chips away at an agreement instrument that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards. The stage gives excellent streams low inertness, and clients can acquire prizes for giving data transfer capacity assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. Theta value figure. The Theta organization vows to alter the manner in which we transfer video by decentralizing information conveyance and offering clients prizes for sharing their data transmission assets. The local digital money of the organization is Theta token, which can be utilized to approve exchanges and stake in the organization. I'll see Theta's cost expectations for 2022 and then some. Theta has previously taken extraordinary steps since its send-off. The mainnet has gone live and sent off big business conferencing with Samsung VR. These victories have prompted a positive cost pattern for Theta all through the vast majority of 2020 and 2021. Looking forward, there are a few impetuses that could keep on driving the cost of Theta vertical. In the first place, the reception of 5G will work on streaming quality and lead to additional great streams being conveyed over Theta's decentralized organization. Second, as additional organizations take on big business conferencing controlled by Theta, interest for Theta will increment. At last, as the crypto market keeps on developing, financial backers will progressively see Theta as a decent long-haul speculation because of its solid basics. Theta organization current cost. Theta organization is as of now worth $1.08 USD. Theta has moved 2.76% as of now with an exchanging volume of $36,883,517. Theta organization is right now positioned 49 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,077,705,518 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Theta organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Theta organization value forecast 2023. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Theta cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.62. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.51 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.29. Theta organization value forecast 2024. In 2024, Theta organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.69. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Theta's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.16 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.37. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.77 and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.45 and a low of $3.23 in 2025. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Theta Organization effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $4.85, with a base cost of $4.31 and a typical cost of $4.53. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.60 by 2027, with a base cost of $5.39 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a most extreme value worth of $5.93. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.68. On the off chance that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $7.01. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $6.47. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $7.54 and a yearly cost close above $8.08 in 2029. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Theta Organization will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8.62 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $9.16, averaging out at $8.84. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Theta